Hi guys, welcome. If you're new here, welcome back. If you're not, net worth is the number of people use on social media to determine how cheap a celebrity is whenever they donate any amount of money. What? Elon Musk donated only $30 million? And then you divide that by his net worth to see how stingy he is. No, I'm only half kidding. Net worth is a simple subtraction problem. What you own minus what you owe is net worth. What you own are called assets, and what you owe are called liabilities. So net worth is assets minus liabilities. Assets includes things like cash, savings and checkings account, retirement accounts, home equity, investments, vehicles you own, and things like that. Liabilities include, any kind of debt you have. If you're interested in calculating your net worth, there are plenty of net worth calculators online that can help you with it. If you want to be wealthy, you want a high net worth, and it's a good idea to check your net worth once or twice a year to make sure that it's going up. If it's not going up, it's possible that you are suffering from something called lifestyle creep, which I've made a video on. It's important to note that you can be wealthy but not have a lot of cash on hand. A lot of your net worth can be tied up in things like your home, retirement accounts, and investments. And although cash is king, cash that's just sitting around isn't making you any money. It's also very important to know the difference between net worth and income. Income is the money people make. Think of the money you make through a job. Someone can have a high income but a low net worth, which means they're broke. If these high income, low net worth people never realize this, then they can be in trouble when it comes time to retire. At the same time, someone can have a low income but a high net worth, making them wealthy. Thank you for watching, and if you didn't know, April is National Financial Literacy Month, and my goal is to post one video every day for this month. To be honest, that goal is getting more and more difficult as the month goes on, but if you're watching this video, it means I haven't given up yet. Thanks for coming to my TED